Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits regarding the lesson Humanity from the 8th class English textbook. The little boy dash. Answer, flung hands around the neck. This is a delightful spot. Choose the antonym of the underlined word. Answer, gloomy. He rode all day about the garden and rejoiced in blowing the chimney pots over. Choose the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer, all the above. Happiness, delight, be glad. When he came, he was wrapped in heavy furs. Choose the antonym of the underlined word. Answer, uncovered. Who had dared to wound thee? In above sentence, thee refers to dash. Answer, you. Identify the synonym of the word slay. Answer, eliminate. Identify the antonym of the word gloomy. Answer, cheerful. Identify the antonym of the word feeble. Answer, strong, powerful, and important. Identify the antonym of the word urge. Answer, angel. According to the lesson, the selfish giant, the delicate flowers become fruit during the season dash. Answer, autumn. According to the lesson, the selfish giant, North Wind says, we must the hail to come on a visit. Here, the word we refers to dash. Answer, the snow, the frost, and the north wind. According to the lesson, the selfish giant, the old giant thought lovely music was made by dash. Answer: King's musicians passing by. According to the lesson, the selfish giant, the hail stopped dancing because the dash. Answer: Spring has come. Oscar Wilde was died on dash. Answer: 30th November 1900. Oscar Wilde became one of London's most popular playwrights in the early dash. Answer: 1890s. Nobody likes to be in hell. Pick out antonym of the underlined word. Answer: Paradise. You should be beware of your foe. Pick out the antonym of the underlined word. Answer: Friend. It started raining cats and dogs. Pick out antonym of the underlined word. Answer: Seized. The giant was wrapped in furs and roared all day about the garden. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined word. Answer: Made a loud noise with anger. There are 12 peach trees that in springtime broke out into delicate blossoms. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined word. Answer: Fruits. He rattled on the roof the whole day. Choose the correct meaning for the underlined word. Answer: Made a series of sounds. He roared like a lion. In above sentence, like is dash. Answer: Simile. Rudramadevi was a lioness in battle. In above sentence, lioness is dash. Answer: Metaphor. Spring has forgotten his garden. In above sentence, spring is dash. Answer: Personification. The giant is dash. Answer selfish. According to the lesson, the selfish giant, the children ran away because dash. Answer, they were afraid of the giant. Match the words in column A with those in column B with similar meaning. Answers 1. Screaming. A. Give a loud cry. 2. Whisper. B. Soft, quiet voice, difficult to hear. 3. Roaring. C. A continuous loud noise. 4. Groan. D. A long, deep sound. Match the words in column A with those in column B with similar meaning. Answer 1. Babble. A. Many people speaking at the same time. 2. Wail. B. A long, loud, high cry. 3. Twitter. C. Continuous short sounds. 4. Shriek. D. A loud high shout. Match the following synonyms. Answers 1. Petal. A. A delicate colored part of a flower. 2. Bestowed. B. Gave. 3. Bowers. C. A pleasant place in the shade of tree. Match the following with the synonyms. Answers 1. Nutritious. A. Good. 2. Reaps. B. Gives. 3. Gratitude. C. Thankfulness. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.